So okay, at next some thoughts related to the whole time value of the performance, and I'm gonna show you some variations to variate this a little bit. Okay, the first is when you try to play the baby scratch, which a part of the Autobahn performance played in a double speed. Yeah, that means, for example, you play at the normal variation the first motion as a baby scratch in a 1/8 most of the time, and now try to play this motion in a 1/16, and then you play the slow Autobahn scratch in a common way further. That means you play at first double time, then follows step 1/8, 1/8, and finally back to the start point. Okay, once again, at first double time baby scratch, step. So now in combination with the record motion, yeah, or once again, then that. Sorry. So, and by playing this first baby scratch in a double time mode, we produce now also a pattern which consists of 7 1/16. Yeah, and this is an irregular number, and when you play it over for quarter beat, I'm really sure that you create a tricky pattern. So you can apply this method also by playing another baby scratch into the performance in a double speed. That means, for example, we play common way, zack, then and back. Okay, so another very interesting method is when you play it like this. We start in a common way, step, then follows the baby, and normally we play from this position another baby, but we play now a reverse baby from this position. Yeah, and then finally zack. So in correspondence with the record, the crossfader, that means, and now, okay. Sorry. Oh, it's not so easy. Try to play it more faster. Okay, I think this is interesting, and it will be great when you send me some replies by using this type of record motion. So, yeah, another way is when you start the whole performance with the reverse baby scratch. That means like this, then okay. Once again, reverse baby scratch. So, and you can variate with this type of reverse mode inside the performance, and there are many variations possible. So, okay, finally, or concluding, I will give you some inspiration, some hints related to the crossfader performance. Basically, we play at the common variation of the slow Autobahn, a combination of open, close, and then tap motion. So, and now you can play the record motion and combine this with other types of crossfader sequences. Interesting way is when you combine this with the one clicker. So that means closing, open, and when we combine the common way of the slow Autobahn with this type of crossfader sequence, the pattern goes like this. That means note, and we close, then open for the E-tone, then follows the step, and we close, then open, note, close, E-tone, open, note, close, E-tone, and finally we are back at the start point. Yeah. So try it. So another way is when you combine this pattern with the swing flare performance on the crossfader. It goes like this. We start in the common way. That means open close for the first baby scratch, then follows the step, and now follows another note, and we combine this also with the tap. Yeah, like this. And then E-tone, open, note, close, E-tone, tap, and tap. Okay? Once again. Yeah? Swing flare on the crossfader. That means open, close, tap, tap, open, close, tap, tap. And we combine this with the typical Autobahn performance. So, the last pattern is a combination of the Autobahn, slow Autobahn performance on the record, and the 3-clicker on the crossfader. Yeah, it's basically also really simple. We start now with the open fader and play. Note, closing, tap, E-tone, tap, opening, closing, tap, tap, tuck. Okay? Sorry. So, it's not my goal to master all this stuff. It's your turn, and I hope you give me some feedback related to this workshop, and I hope we see us next week. Bye.